Welcome back. This is a video of our toddlers
that are grown up now
folding clothes again. So now they're no more little toddlers, they're larger children, but
still little kids.
Still little kids.
And it was funny, they had all this laundry to fold, and then when they saw that we were going to make a video, they went and dumped all the clothes out of their drawer. So that's why there's a big, huge pile of clothes in the middle of the floor. But they were willing to work, to be on camera. So maybe this is great for us. So we'll just keep recording our kids that want to be on our channel.
Right.
And they'll do the work that they need to do.
So we went ahead and we recorded them. We knew it was going to take a while, so we did a little time lapse for that. And then we did some closer up shots as they were folding some shirts and
nightgowns
and other clothes in there.
Underpants.
So yeah, let's go take a look. Yep, so there's that pile of clothes that they just dumped on the floor. It's going to shrink down eventually.
Like all of their clothes. They didn't even separate it.
And then, okay, here's a nightgown. So it's folding it in half. And she likes to roll this one.
She likes to roll a lot of her clothes now.
And then she tries this other nightgown.
Yeah, and what I'm doing in the background, I'm not doing their work for them. I'm just separating out the clothes, so I'm making piles of...
Since they just combined and threw them all together, huh?
Making piles of Blondie and making piles of little brown-haired girl.
Okay. So I like this one because I almost edited it out, but I like the fact that she...
Was struggling?
Struggled, and then she decided to just start over. I mean, she didn't make a fuss as she was struggling, but now she came at it from a different angle, on that side angle there.
I think that's the important thing to remember too when you're working with kids is, like, we've taught them the Marie Kondo way of folding clothes, and we fold our clothes that way, but sometimes it's more important for them to learn to just get it done, so they can fit their clothes in their drawer, because if they don't fold the clothes, they just shove it all in, and then there's no room for their clothes, or they can't find the clothes that they want. And then it takes forever in the morning trying to find the clothes that they want to wear. And so that's been kind of my philosophy, that I don't make a big deal on how my kids fold their clothes as long as they're folding their clothes. Our 11-year-old, he needs a little bit more encouragement on folding his clothes. But the girls are really good because they really have kept folding clothes all this time since I first posted that YouTube video, like 3 years ago now?
Yeah. There she is 3 years later, doing a long sleeve sweater that some of our older kids struggle with still, those long sleeve clothes.
These two girls are still great. They're way better at folding clothes than the two older kids are. So, and I think that is because I worked with them from such a young age, and that I kept working with them, and I didn't really do that as much with my older kids. I didn't think that they were capable of folding their clothes, and so I relegated them to folding washcloths and towels, which is, rectangles and squares. But they really can learn, like you've seen in our other video, they really can learn to fold clothes.
All right, and that's it. So let us know what you think. If it looks like that they've gained more skills or digressed, I guess, since the last video. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Let us know what you're doing to help train your kids and let them fold their clothes.
We'd love to collaborate if any of our viewers have kids doing chores. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.